The online aviation and aerospace magazine Air Recognition, a subdivision of Army Recognition Group, will cover the International Paris Air Show 2019 with online show daily news and web television. Paris Air Show is the largest aerospace industry exhibition type air show in the world, measured by number of exhibitors and size of exhibit space. The exhibition will take place at Le Bourget Parc des Expositions from 17 to 23 June 2019 and once again will bring together all the players in this global industry around the latest technological innovations.